iFixit's Essential Electronics Toolkit offers the tools you need to be able to open a device, swap out batteries, and replace displays. The kit comes with 16 common bits found in today's electronics such as Phillips, pentalobe, flathead, Torx, and Torx security. You also get our very own 4mm precision driver that has a knurled grip and swivel top. In the top, we also integrated a SIM eject tool for quick access during repairs. It also comes with a suction handle that will help lift displays, along with an opening tool to pry open devices, an Esd Safe Spudger for disconnecting cables, along with a jimmy that easily slips between the tightest gaps in the toughest devices, 6 opening picks for scraping and prying, 1 set of Esd Safe Tweezers to grab small screws and pieces in tight spots, and you can even stay organized by using the lid as a sorting tray. Devices get damaged all the time. Don't get caught off guard with the Essential Electronics Toolkit. Pick yours up today at iFixit.com.